Hello, today I'm in Subaru Forester. In this video I'll show you how to check engine oil level. To check engine oil level, take a look at the front of engine compartment. Firstly, make sure to park your car on flat surface and let it rest for about 15 minutes. This will give the oil time to flow down to oil compartment. Then remove the dipstick, clean it with cloth and then place it back. Remove it again and the oil amount should be between the beginning of the dipstick and this dot. Perfect amount is right between those two dots. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.